Harris hawk. The Baron has been flying with us for quite some time now. So you can see he's kind of getting a little bit excited. We actually do have to block Jamie from his view because he knows that he's going to be going after the lure, right? So this is what we call the happy dance. And take a good look at the way this guy flies.
Oh, look how fast. Oh, he's fast.
That's a fast.
Oh, there you go. Did he disappear? He's going to do that. He's going up into the sun so they can't see.
Whoa!
There he is. Here he comes.
I can see.
Here he comes. Whoa.
You taking a video of this? Dad, you taking a video of
Oh,
this?
she's sliding really fast. Whoa.
That's good though. Stop.
Oh. Did he get him?
Very beautiful. So that was, like I said, a 100% exact demonstration as to how a sacred falcon or the Baron would be hunting out in the wild. So you saw how he kind of grabbed that lure in the air, right? So if that was a little bird or a different, something that the Baron would be snacking on, he would actually be hitting it so hard in the air, he would be trying to knock it out. That way, by the time he gets to the ground, a lot easier to be eating your meal if it's knocked out than if it's squirting around, right? And you can see that he's actually hiding his meal right now.